Welcome to Prime Health Point, where you'll discover doctor-approved health tips, natural remedies, and wellness guides to feel your best. You're gaining weight, feeling tired, losing hair, and no matter how much you sleep, you're still exhausted. Think it's just stress or aging? Think again. These are the silent warning signs of thyroid dysfunction, a hidden epidemic silently affecting millions in the US, UK, and Europe. And most people miss the signs until it's too late. But what if you could catch it early and take control of your health today? What is the thyroid? The thyroid is a small butterfly-shaped gland located in your neck, but don't let its size fool you. It controls everything from your metabolism and energy to mood and body temperature. If this tiny gland malfunctions, the effects ripple through your entire body. Why thyroid issues are on the rise? Thyroid disorders are becoming increasingly common in Europe and North America. Experts blame factors like chronic stress, poor diets, environmental toxins, and autoimmune triggers. According to the American Thyroid Association, over 20 million Americans have some form of thyroid disease, and 60% don't even know it. Symptoms: constant fatigue. This is not just being tired after a long day. It's a deep, soul-crushing exhaustion that no amount of coffee can fix. If you feel like you're dragging through life with no energy, your thyroid might be the problem. Unexplained weight changes. Gaining weight without changing your diet or losing weight uncontrollably. Hypothyroidism and hyperthyroidism both mess with your metabolism. If the scale is moving without reason, it's time to look deeper. Depression and anxiety. Mental health is closely linked to your thyroid. An underactive thyroid can cause depression, while an overactive one can lead to anxiety and irritability. If your mood swings are intense, your hormones might be at war. Hair thinning and dry skin. Is your hair falling out in clumps? Do you have brittle nails or dry, flaky skin? These signs often point to a thyroid imbalance. Your body isn't getting the nutrients it needs due to slowed metabolism. Always feeling cold. If you're the one always bundled in blankets while others are sweating, your thyroid may not be producing enough hormones to regulate temperature. Cold hands and feet are big red flags. Heart rate changes. An overactive thyroid may cause your heart to race, even when you're resting. A slow heart rate? That could be hypothyroidism. Monitoring your pulse regularly can offer clues. Sleep problems. Trouble falling asleep or waking up frequently may stem from hormonal imbalances. Hyperthyroidism can make you restless, while hypothyroidism can make you sluggish yet sleepless. Why these symptoms get ignored? These signs are so common, people often blame stress, age, or lifestyle. That's why thyroid issues are known as the silent destroyers. But catching them early is critical. Getting diagnosed. A simple blood test measuring TSH, T3, and T4 can reveal thyroid dysfunction. It's quick, affordable, and potentially life-saving. Ask your doctor to test it, even if you feel fine. Best thyroid-friendly foods. Eat more leafy greens, eggs, berries, yogurt for probiotics, lean proteins. Avoid gluten, soy, processed sugar. Diet is your first defense line. When to see a doctor. If you relate to more than 2 of the symptoms we've covered, don't wait. Thyroid problems are progressive. Early diagnosis can prevent serious complications like heart disease or infertility. If this video helped you understand the silent signs of thyroid problems, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Prime Health Point. We deliver doctor-approved, research-backed health tips